Oh my goodness.
I know that I'm wearing Sylvie's shoes.
You're wearing Sylvie's shoes?
And she's wearing my shoes. Actually, do I switch shoes now?
Yeah.
Yes, I told you to not.
Go switch shoes. Go switch shoes.
I like my old. I like my that shoe better. Now my. That's what I do. That's what I do. My slippers. Your stinky socks. Mama ate a cupcake.
that means I'm sweet, right?
Yeah, that means I can eat Mama all up. And my tummy. And I don't even have a mama.
You're so silly.
I'm eating your feet.
Ah! Yeah.